If you desire an all 5-star service and experience, staying in a luxury hotel is the perfect way to sample the lifestyle of the rich. Featuring stunning architecture, world-class amenities, and fine dining, luxury hotels offer an exceptional experience for the elite. The hotels explored here are globally renowned as being the most luxurious hotels in the world, and it is definitely worth treating yourself to a stay at one of them at least once. So, here are 10 luxurious hotels in the world. Number 10. Rancho Valencia. Rancho Valencia was hand-selected by Forbes Travel Guide as one of the finest 5-star hotels and spas in the world. The resort is ranked as the best resort and hotel in California. Natural beauty can be seen easily with the view from the hotel windows. It has a Sheraton boutique, high beam roofs, a ranged closet, ritzy bathtubs, huge bathrooms, fireplace, and luxurious living space make the hotel one of the best among top-tier lists. Number 9. Zemi Beach Hotels. This is a perfect place to enjoy extraordinary beauty of beaches. Fully air-conditioned, flat satellite TV, available coffee machine, a buffet breakfast, attached closet, hairdryer, and kids club are some of the amenities for the guests. Including 24-hour front desk with available room service, huge fitness center, and some recreational activities as snorkeling and hiking are also there to give their guests the perfect piece of a vacation. Number 8. Palms Casino Resort. To grab the best experience in Las Vegas Palms Hotel and Spa is the best option. The hotel includes 599 luxurious guest rooms, most of them including LCD and plasma TVs, hot and whirlpool bathtubs, outdoor pool, sauna, and spa work as a relaxation to the guests. The ritzy rooftop suites are the main attraction for the guests. A full bar with a private elevator and rotating beds give the guests a perfect luxury. Number 7. Boulders Resort. Tucked into the Sonoran Desert foothills of Scottsdale, Arizona, this resort offers 2 championship golf courses, a full-service spa, 7 restaurants, and spacious accommodations for an unforgettable holiday in the Sonoran Desert. The soul-rejuvenating beauty of the luxurious hotel and spa resort is praiseworthy. 12 million ancient rock formations can be seen there. The Boulders Resort features 4 swimming pools and a state-of-the-art fitness center with whirlpool tubs and saunas. Number 6. The Plaza. Since its debut on October 1, 1907, the Plaza Hotel has remained a New York icon, hosting world leaders, dignitaries, captains of industry, Broadway legends, and Hollywood royalty. As an established staple for lavish society affairs and blockbuster films, the Plaza has welcomed guests from around the world. The most attractive parts are the Tea of the Palm Court lavish champion bars, the Rose Club, and the Food Hall, including 282 rooms and 102 deluxe suites. Like other luxurious hotels, Plaza offers a personal butler too. Number 5. Atlantis Paradise Island. Atlantis Paradise Island features the world's largest open-air marine habitat, Aquaventure, a 141-acre water park, including the iconic Mayan Temple's Leap of Faith slide, 11 incredible pools, and 5 miles of magnificent beaches. Atlantis is the only full-service resort with the medical, laboratory, research, and holding capacity of an independent marine life facility dedicated to conservation, rehabilitation, and education. Number 4. Westin Excelsior. A perfect luxury, at the same time pocket-friendly combo, containing 281 rooms and 35 lavishly decorated suites. For per-night room costs $511, and suites cost $1,100. Situating in Rome, this was first built in 1906. It has the largest suite in Italy. The decoration is a fusion of ancient tradition with the touch of modern technology. The domes look like cathedrals. They have a private place for doing physical exercise. It has a huge dining room, and if one wants to stay luxurious in Rome, this hotel should be the first priority. Number 3. Titanic Martin Palace. the largest swimming pool of 5 acres, adorned with delicious seafoods and 4 sunken aquariums that contains about 3,000 fish, make this hotel of Turkey one of the most luxurious hotels in the world. The costing of this hotel is near about 1.4 billion. It has a luxurious beach, which 900 tons of sand was imported from Egypt. It has a giant-sized spa, which is 12,000 square feet. The hotel contains 560 suites. It also includes 17 bars, which makes the hotel more luxurious. 24/7 personal butler service is also available there. Number 2. Burj Al Arab. Burj Al Arab is a luxurious hotel which is situated in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. The name of the hotel in Arabic can be directly translated to Tower of the Arabs. This is one of the tallest hotels in the world and ranks on the 5th spot of that list currently. The shape of this hotel was designed in such a way that it ends up resembling the shape of a sail on a large ship. There is also a helipad near the roof of the hotel. This hotel is so incredibly luxurious and has so many features to offer to its customers that it is also rated as being the only 7-star hotel in the entire world. It is also quite interesting to note that this hotel is built on an artificial island and currently has over 200 rooms. And number 1. Emirates Palace. Visiting this hotel can be the best option to get rid of tiresome life, as this hotel is a multi-flavored place where you will feel yourselves no less than a royal persona. The white sand beach has been always one of the most attractive parts for the clients. The total cost that the government of Abu Dhabi has to pay to create this photographed beauty of this hotel is around 3.9 billion. The hotel includes 394 residents, where 92 general suites and 22 residential suites are warmly prepared to show the heavenly beauty inside. The lobby is made with fascinating marble. The marble has been imported from 13 countries around the world. The 1,000 crystal clear chandelier will give you a rhinestone vibe. Without a doubt, this is one of the most luxurious hotels in the world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more amazing content.